my name is Kori Ashton, and you have found a smaller video that's a part of a larger series that I've done called The Ultimate Beginner's Guide in WordPress. I hope this helps you, and if you're interested in learning more about WordPress, I'll put the link to the full series, 15 videos, at the end of this video so you'll be certain to find it and be off and running in your WordPress journey. Let's get to the tutorial. So what are the essentials that I need for building out a WordPress website? First things first, you're probably going to want a domain name. Everybody out there is going to want a unique domain name that they can know to get to you. Like mine, askkori.com. You can purchase your own domain name at some place like godaddy.com. You would come here and type it in and see if it's available. If it's available, it'll say that it's available and it'll tell you how much that is. Typically, that's for the first year. Sometimes you can get discounts and you'll want to renew this every single year so that you don't lose your URL or your domain name. The other thing you're going to want is hosting or server space. This is where you pay to put all of your files so that people from all around the world can find your website. They call it hosting. They host your files, your content, your website. So this is the link I'm going to ask you to use. Get over here, get 35% off for 3 months because this is Liquid Web. In my opinion, they're the absolute best when it comes to WordPress hosting. They're the most secure. They have excellent support and they have the one-click install for WordPress.org. The other thing that they're going to have that's highly important that you must do is added security for your WordPress website. Remember we talked earlier about, is WordPress susceptible to hacks? Of course it is. But with a solution and a server like Liquid Web will provide for you, you'll easily be able to have high-end security in place. You probably wouldn't even need any extra plugins because this would be enough for you. They would be able to provide an SSL certificate for you that you'll be able to add to your website that gives you this little lock up here. See this? Gives you a little lock that lets everybody know that you're running a secure website. Another feature that Liquid Web offers is backups. You absolutely have to have backups in place. So this is another essential that I want to just remind you of. In case something goes wrong where you're trying to type something and you accidentally delete a whole section of your website, I promise you're going to want a backup in place. This type of solution, whenever you go with a hosting provider like Liquid Web, they're going to be able to give you that functionality included inside of your package. So they'll automatically back up your WordPress website on their server so that if anything goes wrong, you can go back and click one button and roll your website back. If you don't have a hosting provider like Liquid Web, you can use another solution. I recommend using Updraft Plus. They have a great free solution as well in a starter level, and you'll be able to come in here and go premium if you want to get all the extra bells and whistles. But for the most part, please have some sort of backup in place running, and this is a great solution for you. It isn't necessarily an essential to have to get started, but a lot of people do like to have an email address associated with their domain name. I recommend having your same email be where you also registered your domain name. So if you go over to GoDaddy and buy your domain name there, you can include an email address easily and quickly. Go in here and you're going to want email and office. You'll be able to add an email package so that you can have Kori@askkori.com. or whatever your domain name is. Hey, if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel even, because every Wednesday I'm creating content just like this to help you improve your online marketing inside the world of WordPress. All things considered, search engine optimization, social media marketing, what is great design, security issues, all sorts of things are covered in over 400 videos on askkori.com. So please be sure to check that out as well. You can give me a tweet if you have your own questions. I would love to make a video just for you. All right, enjoy your WordPress journey. You can totally do this. All right, bye you guys.